Hello and welcome you all. Myself Dhananjay Patil, lecturer Kikowa Institute of Pharmacy, Nashik. Today we are going to learn about minerals in lab processes, part 4. Contents of the part 4: micro or trace elements, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese. Micro or trace elements. So these are some micro elements: iron, zinc, copper, manganese, iodine, fluorine, chromium, molybdenum, selenium, and cobalt. Iron, total iron in our body is 3 to 5 grams, about 70% present in the erythrocytes of blood and 5% present in myoglobin of muscle. Biochemical functions include it required in the formation of red blood cells. It is also required or involved in the transportation of oxygen to the tissues. It is involved in the process of cellular respiration. It is an essential component of hemoglobin that carries oxygen from lungs to the tissues. It also involves in the formation of myoglobin, which is present in the sarcoplasm of muscles. It gives color to muscle. It also involves in the DNA synthesis. It also acts as electron carrier. Iron associated with effective immuno competence of the body. Sources are organ meat, liver, heart, kidney, leafy vegetable, pulses, cereals, fish, apples, dry fruits, milk, wheat, polished rice. Dietary requirements include adult man required 10 to 10 milligram per day, menstruating women required 18 milligram per day, pregnant and lactating women require 40 milligram per day. Disease state include iron deficiency anemia. This type of anemia is prevalent among children, adolescent girls, and nursing mother. It is characterized by microlytic hypochromic anemia with reduced blood hemoglobin level that is below 12 gram per deciliter. Several factors may contribute to deficiency anemia. These include inadequate intake or defective absorption of iron, chronic blood loss, repeated pregnancy. Symptoms include apathy, sluggish metabolic activities, retarded growth, and loss of appetite. Treatment include supplement of iron along with folic acid and vitamin C. Hemosiderosis. This is an condition in which excessive amount of iron are released in or introduced into the body beyond the capacity for its utilization and deposited in various tissues, mainly in the liver. Hemosiderosis is commonly observed in the Bantu tribe in South Africa. This is attributed to a high intake of iron from their staple diet, corn, and habit of cooking foods into iron pots. Hemochromatosis. Hemochromatosis. This is a rare disease in which iron is directly deposited in the tissues, liver, spleen, pancreas, and skin. Bronze pigmentation of the skin, cirrhosis of liver, pancreatic fibrosis are the manifestation of the disorder. Hemochromatosis causes condition known as bronze diseases, diabetes. Zinc, total zinc in body is about 2 gram. It is a intracellular element. Biochemical function include zinc an essential component of several enzymes. Example: carbonic anhydrase, alcohol dehydrogenase, alkaline phosphatase, carboxypeptidase, superoxide dismutase. Zinc may be regarded as an antioxidant since the enzyme superoxide dismutase protects the body against free radical damage. The storage and secretion of insulin from the beta cells of pancreas requires zinc. Zinc is necessary to maintain the normal level of vitamin A in serum. Zinc promotes the synthesis of retinol binding protein. It is required for wound healing. Zinc enhances growth and division or besides stabilizing biomembrane. Gustins, a zinc containing protein of the saliva, is important for taste sensation. Zinc is essential for proper reproduction. Sources are meat, fish, eggs, beans, nuts, and milk. Dietary requirements include adult required 10 to 15 milligram per day. It is increased by 50% in pregnancy and lactation. Disease state. Uh, Zinc deficiency is associated with growth retardation, poor wound healing, anemia, loss of appetite, loss of taste sensation, impaired spermatogenesis. It is reported that zinc deficiency in pregnant animals causes congenital malformation of the fetus. Deficiency of zinc may result in the depression, dementia, and other psychiatric disorders. The neuropsychiatric manifestation of chronic alcoholism may be partly due to the zinc deficiency. Zinc toxicity is often observed in welders due to inhalation of zinc oxide gas. The symptoms include nausea, gastric ulcer, pancreatitis, anemia, and excessive salivation. Copper. Total body copper is 100 milligram. Biochemical functions are: copper is an essential component of several enzymes. Due to its presence in the wide variety of enzymes, Copper is involved in many metabolic reactions. Copper is necessary for the synthesis of hemoglobin. Copper is necessary for the synthesis of melanin and phospholipids. Development of bones and nervous system, that is myelin, requires copper. Hemocyanin, a copper protein complex, is in invertebrates. Functions like hemoglobin for oxygen transport. Sources are liver, kidney, meat, egg yolk, cereals, nuts, and leafy vegetables. Dietary requirements include for adult 2 to 3 mg per day, infants and children 0.5 to 2 mg per day. Disease state: copper deficiency. Severe deficiency of copper causes demineralization of bones, demyelination of neural tissues, anemia, fragility of arteries, myocardial fibrosis, hypopigmentation of skin, graying of hair, Menkes disease. This disorder is due to defect in the intestinal absorption of copper. It is possible that copper may be trapped by metallothionein in intestinal cells. Symptoms include low copper in plasma and urine, anemia and depigmentation of hair. Wilson's disease include it is a rare disorder of abnormal copper metabolism due to failure to synthesize ceruloplasmin or an impairment in the uh, binding capacity of copper to this protein or both. As a result, copper is free in the plasma, which easily enters the tissue, liver, brain, or kidney, binds with protein and gets deposited. The albumin-bound copper is either normal or increased. Treatment include administration of penicillamine, natural copper chelating agent. Manganese, total body manganese is 15 milligram, mainly found in liver and kidney are rich in manganese. Biochemical function: manganese serves as a cofactor for several enzymes like arginase, pyruvate carboxylase, superoxide dismutase, and peptidase. Manganese is required for the formation of bone, reproduction, and normal functioning of nervous system. Manganese is necessary for the synthesis of mucopolysaccharides and glycoprotein. Hemoglobin synthesis involves manganese. Manganese inhibits lipid peroxidation. Manganese is necessary for cholesterol biosynthesis. Sources are cereals, nuts, leafy vegetables, and fruits. Tea is also a rich source of manganese. Dietary requirements include for adult 2 to 9 mg per day. Disease state: deficiency of manganese causes retarded growth, bone deformities, and in severe deficiency, sterility, accumulation of fat in liver, increased activity of serum alkaline phosphatase, diminished activity of beta cells of pancreas, which causes low insulin. So these are some essential minerals with their RDA, required dietary intake. Then purpose: for calcium, 800 milligram, blood protein, bones, muscles, nerves. Sources are milk product. So RDA means recommended dietary allowance, or RDA means recommended dietary intake. So then phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sodium, chloride, zinc, iron, chloride, fluoride, iodine, copper, chromium, molybdenum, and selenium. Then minerals with clinical signs and deficiency and excessive: calcium. Then signs of symptoms: this agalactia, depression, depressed milk yield. Then signs of excess: changes in bone formation, as like copper, then iodine, iron, magnesium, manganese, phosphorus, potassium, salt, that is sodium chloride, selenium, water, and zinc. Thank you so much.